Linking your website with WP Compress is extremely simple. First, you're going to go to app.wpcompress.com, sign in. If you don't have an account, create one. And then you're going to go to add new website. And then all you have to do is choose between a client quota and a shared quota. Obviously, a monthly client quota is great for if you have someone on a monthly care plan and you want to offer different care levels based on if they're a gold, silver, bronze member, whatever it may be. You could allocate a set quota and the user can only go up to that quota. Or you could set a custom quota. But if it's a trusted or personal site, you're going to go with shared, and you could simply pull from your main account as it's used, rather than setting a specific quota for that user for the month. Then you're going to go ahead and you can download the plugin if you don't already have it. You're going to save that, grab it right here. You could also get it from the WordPress repository. And then we're going to hit next and copy this API key. All you got to do is click on it to copy it, and you're good to go. So we're going to go to a fresh WordPress install here. And all you have to do is you go to plugins, add new, upload a plugin, or you could search WP Compress here and just drag that zip onto there and hit install now, and you're good to go. So once that process is installed, you just simply activate the plugin, hit get started. You're just a few clicks away. Very, very simple. Paste your API key that you just created. And then you're all set. Just sit back, relax, we'll take it from here. You're all set on live image optimization through the Lightning-Fast CDN, and your site will be serving it through that already. You're good to go. That's all you have to do, and everything's all set up for you. You can configure settings as you wish or locally optimize your images, but honestly, it's that simple, and you're good to go with live optimization.